Tiller Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Tiller app are in the description below. Tiller is a powerful budgeting tool that stands out for its flexibility and customization, making it a great option for people who want a hands-on approach to managing their finances. What sets Tiller apart from other budgeting apps is its ability to link directly to Google Sheets and Excel, allowing users to create personalized, customizable financial spreadsheets that suit their exact needs. Tiller automatically imports all your financial transactions into your chosen spreadsheet, saving you time on manual entry. It pulls data from over 21,000 different banks, credit cards, and financial institutions, ensuring that your financial data is always up to date. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prefer to have everything in one place without having to switch between multiple accounts or apps. The main draw of Tiller is its flexibility. Unlike many other budgeting apps with set templates, Tiller gives you complete control over how you organize your budget and track your spending. You can create custom categories, track multiple accounts, and even build complex formulas for more detailed budgeting and reporting. For those who are comfortable with spreadsheets or are looking for more advanced budgeting options, Tiller delivers a level of customization that few apps can match. Tiller also offers powerful reports and insights, helping you understand your spending patterns and identify areas for improvement. It's ideal for users who want to dive deeper into their finances and get a clearer picture of their financial health. The app includes templates for various budgeting strategies, such as zero-based budgeting or the 50-30-20 rule, giving users a variety of options to suit their financial goals. If you're looking for a customizable, hands-on approach to budgeting, Tiller is an excellent choice. It's perfect for users who enjoy working with spreadsheets and want more control over their financial data. For more details, check out the links in the description below.